welcome back. Today I'm going to make something I really love, and it's going to be hummus. So I don't buy hummus anymore because I learned how to make it, and it's really easy. 2 ingredients only. We're gonna make it, and I'm going to show you, and you're never gonna buy hummus again. Wanna do it? Let's go. To make hummus you need chickpeas. So I have canned ones, but if you have chickpeas you can also boil them yourself. Just put them in water the night before and then let them stay overnight, and then boil them for about 45 minutes and you have something like this. Okay, so chickpeas hummus. So we're just gonna use the 2 ingredients I talked about, and it's going to be chickpeas and a little bit tahini. This is just the ground sesame seeds, and this gives it that creamy taste, and oh, so good. Let's do it. Make hummus, and it's easy. I wanted to show you how it's easy to make, and you can just use 2 ingredients, well 3, yeah, but you can add whatever you want. You can add avocado, you can make your avocado hummus, olive oil, some lemon juice. You can add anything you want, but I just wanted to show you some good old basic hummus. So what do you think? And it's so creamy and yummy, and also you can add some yogurt to make it extra creamy. So guys, that was today's video. I hope you enjoyed it. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe.